Welcome to The Short End, a collection of audio kids books. This is a short end presentation of superhero hiccups. Welcome to the world of reading from Disney Junior, level pre-1. Marvel, Spidey and his amazing friends in superhero hiccups. Spidey and Miles are superheroes. Someone set off an alarm at the library. Miles sees Green Goblin's glider. He must be inside. Miles can turn invisible. He will sneak up on the Green Goblin. Spidey and Miles head inside. Miles sees the Green Goblin reading a book. Good for him. Green Goblin reads about a legendary warrior, the Pumpkin King. Couldn't come during library hours. He had to break in after hours to read a book. Okay, never mind. Green Goblin wants the Pumpkin King's power sword. It can destroy anything. And he rips a page out of a public library book. This is bad, bad, bad. Don't ever do this. Public library book, not your book to rip up. Okay. Don't rip up books. The heroes try to stop the Green Goblin, but Miles has hiccups. Okay. Oh, so they're revealed. The Goblin sees them there because he hiccuped out loud. I got it, I'm with you. Green Goblin throws pumpkin pranks. What are pumpkin pranks? Alright. Miles tries to thwip a red. Miles tries to thwip a web, but he hiccups again. And apparently, electric lightning everywhere. Green Goblin leaves to find the power sword. Miles thinks his hiccups ruined everything, but Spidey says it's okay. Spidey says, when a plan doesn't go my way, I just try something else to save the day. Miles feels better. We must find the power sword before Goblin does, Miles says. Spidey takes a picture of the book Goblin was reading. Maybe they will find a clue. Didn't Goblin steal this page? The heroes go to web quarters. Ghost Spider looks for clues. Can she find the power sword? But Miles still has hiccups. He almost zaps his friends with his arachnose sting. Scary. Ghost Spider, meanwhile, finds the power sword. It is at the museum. Miles wants to stay. He thinks his hiccups will cause trouble. But even with his hiccups, Miles can still help. The team goes to the museum. They will get the power sword before Green Goblin does. The heroes get the sword, but Green Goblin takes it. Miles still has hiccups, but he must save his friends. What happened to his friends that they need saving? And what is that goop on their feet? How did it get there? I don't understand.
Made some errors in my narration on these pages. Red items changed to fit.
Miles uses his invisibility power to pretend to be a ghost. A pumpkin ghost. And his hiccups cause him to zap again. Green Goblin is very afraid. He thinks it's a real ghost. And apparently the Goblin is afraid of ghosts. Just saying. Supernatural creatures. Green Goblin drops the sword. Miles takes the power sword. Miles frees his friends with the power sword. Green Goblin tries to escape, but the Spidey team catches him in their webs. The Spidey team wins, and Miles' hiccups are gone. But now Green Goblin has hiccups. Oh, they're a contagion. I see. You can catch the hiccups. Sorry, Goblin. I think they're supposed to be laughing in the background. I don't know. Maybe they're all just vibrating. I don't know. And that's the end of this first episode from the world of reading. Spidey and his amazing friends. And superhero hiccups. Sorry, the title escaped me for a second there, but I got it. Alright. Thanks for watching The Short End.